Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Garmin connects in the wrong language. So you were basically trying to use the app in English but it's suddenly in French or whatsoever. This is quite the issue. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna discuss how to actually change the language in Garmin Connect app, the latest version in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, go all the way through the Garmin Connect app. So after being fully connected to the internet and all of this, we're gonna go all the way to Garmin Connect app. Make sure everything is looking good. Also, we want to log in using our email address and password. This is a must. Now, the Garmin Connect app follows your phone's system language. To change it on an iPhone, all you're gonna do is go to Settings, General, Language and Region, then change the device language. But on Android, you can go through Settings, System, Languages, and Input, go through Languages, then Add or Change. Then reopen Garmin Connect. The app now matches your phone. So for example, we want to change the watch language separately. Since your watch language is fully independent to change it. All you're gonna do is go through More, then Garmin Devices, for example. More here, Garmin Devices, you will be able to see your device. Go to System, Language, then choose your language, then Synchronize. Or on the watch itself, hold the menu, System Language, select, then Sync after the change. So what actually changes after this? Since this changes all menus, notifications, prompts, and all of this. Your data stays intact, nothing gets deleted, just the words change. So basically, even if you go through these settings here, you will be able to see notifications, phone permissions, build number, but there is no option here to actually check the basically language as I told you. So all you're gonna do is go through the phone itself and change basically the whole phone language. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.